I guess we'll go ahead and call this topic 4 when we start. Both of these next topics are really quick. And we don't have like a big giant audience today, so I guess we can cut off getting out early. I'll let y'all out early today.
So nice.
Topic 4 is order. Topic 4 is order. What do I mean by order? All the numbers are ordered. I'm cutting out. Oh. Ordered. Ordered. All the numbers are ordered. I don't know why that's happens the longer we. Maybe it. I don't know if we need to reconnect or what. And we use symbols to determine order. Because one is either one number, let's just say A and B. A and B are real. Okay? A and B are real. A is either less than B, greater than B, or equal to B. Very good. Okay. And we use the term, I'm going to move this over here just a little bit. A is either less than B, A is greater than B. So notice that the mouth eats the bigger number. That's really kind of a kindergarten way to explain it, but it always works. Or A is equal to B. And on the number line, numbers to the left are less than numbers to the right. Numbers to the left are less than numbers to the right. So if you ever have a problem figuring out if pi is greater than E, you can always find their decimal notation and graph them, and then go, oh, look, E is to the left of pi. And so if E is to the left, let's see, let me draw this. Let's say this is E and this is pi. And way over here is 0. Is E, how do you compare E and pi? E is less than pi. Very good. Pi is greater than E. God, you're all over it. No, I'm right here. Oh, I can see it on the Twitch. Oh. Thought I could. Oh, yeah, you know what? Oh, that's weird. It's showing up on my... It's showing up on... Well, anyway, I don't want to talk about that on the stream. Okay. Alright, so I'm off the screen. Now I'm back on the screen. Alright, so, fill in the blank. Negative numbers are always going to be blank than positive numbers. Right. So those are the easy ones. Okay, fill in the blank. And if we do this, then we'll move on to the last topic and call it. The last topic is super quick. 3 blank 17. Oh, there is something I need to discuss, though. Okay. Negative 4.5 blank 1.2. Yes. Okay, here's where we get tricky. Negative 5 blank negative 83. Very good, because if we graph that, negative 5 would be close to 0, and negative 83 would be way out here. Good. Okay, now, the one thing I didn't mention to teach because it didn't come up. What if we have fractions? How do we tell if two fractions are less than either? Now, you can always make them the same denominator. I do not recommend doing that. Don't do that. You can do that, but there's no need to. Okay, if you always start at the bottom and you multiply diagonally, Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. And you start at the bottom here and you go this way. 3 times 4 is 12. Now you compare 12 and 10. What's bigger, 12 or 10? So 12, 4/5 is greater than 2/3. Okay. Yeah, but we can prove it here. If we multiply this by 3 over 3, we multiply this by 5 over 5, which is what we're doing. 2 times 5 is 10. And 3 times 4 is 12. So that's what you're doing, really. But you're kind of not finding the least common multiple. That's the only thing. The numbers could get big, but that's okay. So what if we have, what's bigger, 1/9 or 3/14? So, no. Yeah, 1/9. You said it right. You just said it backwards. It's fine. You can say it backwards too. 3/14. It has to be true too. If 1/9 is less than 3/14, then 3/14 has to be greater than 1/9. Okay, yes. But usually read it from left to right, because we're not in like that place where they read it backwards and upside down and stuff. Okay. That, I believe, is inequalities. Yes. There's another thing that I'm just going to bring up. Just to bring it up. If we're comparing these two numbers and we see this sign like this, this means A is either less than or equal to B. So if they're the same, these symbols make it true. A is greater than or equal to B. Okay.